Hi, I'm Bill from BeyondFitnessOnline.com, and today I want to teach you an exercise called the band pull down. Now this is one of my absolute favorites for engaging the entire core because it works from the inside out. You get those deep core muscles right around the diaphragm, and you can even incorporate the diaphragm with this exercise. It's really simple to do. All you need for equipment is a band and a place to attach that band or wrap it around something to keep it in place. So here's how you do it. So to begin this exercise, you're going to lay on your back. The band is attached over your head. Your arms are holding onto the band and your arms are straight. With your knees bent is the easiest position to start. You're going to pull your hands down to your hips. As you do this, you'll feel your abdominals engage. You can hold it for 1 second at the bottom to really get a good contraction. Now to progress this from here, you can extend the legs. And you'll start to see from this picture here how the abdominals engage a little bit more. Now the next level from this would be to start adding some limb movement. So you could do something like this where you pull the arms down and then add a leg lift. This gets you to engage all of the abdominal wall while you do this so that you use less of the hip flexors. You can try this with any other movement too. I hope you found this exercise helpful, and if you really liked it, leave me a comment below. Let me know how you can use this to get more creative and incorporate it into more of your exercises. And until next time, live healthy.